We see people are looking for extreme sports. They're looking for the speed, for the adrenaline, and we want to be able to deliver these experiences to everyone through the eye of the drone. So we created the FALCORE. FALCORE drone is a racing drone for everyone. It's not flying high and looking over the view. It's flying fast, flying low, avoiding the obstacles, flying within the trees, among the trees. It's flying together with your friends, flying with them, competing against them. It's a rush.
The coolest thing that I got to see about that quad, besides we were flying it in the pouring rain, but it has the sonar mode. They call it shield mode. So when you're flying, if you can set the altitude between 1 to 3 feet as you're flying, and it's going to maintain that altitude. 4 controls at one time. It's a lot of work for a new guy that doesn't have much experience. So when you start flying in that shield mode, you can let go of the throttle and just have some fun going through gates. You know, we saw a lot of guys today that was their first time in flying, and they were actually going through gates. Every single time it crashed, you just pick it back up, or if you landed upright, you were able to take back off. Very durable, very sturdy, so it's going to be a perfect racing machine for any of the new guys out there.
With the ProSight system included in the FALCORE, you can really enjoy all the playgrounds around you, and you can really fly as you want. You can fly really fast, you can fly acro mode and all the mode you already know for FPV racer. With the ProSight you can avoid every obstacle because you don't have the glitches, you don't have a bad signal when you're flying around gates or trees. You won't crash for a small branch you didn't see, and this is really, really nice.